Okay, so here's part 2 of cooking solo or cooking for one. So vegetables, when they come in a bag like this, I mean, this is basically 4 servings. I love green beans, but you know, it's a lot. So one thing I would recommend is instead of buying like this, buy in bulk. You can just buy a handful, they weigh it, and you're done with it. But another option when you do buy something in a bag like this, and what I would recommend is to just simply, I'm going to steam these lightly, and then I'm going to finish them off in a pan. Steam them, and then ice them down so that it stops the cooking, and you can freeze the other half. The other thing you can do is maybe the following week, make something completely different with those green beans, along with some other vegetables that came in big packages, right? Sheet pan dinner. You could do a stir fry. You could make a soup. So, you know, you could kind of repurpose that. It's some of the things that you kind of have to do when you're cooking for one to kind of give yourself variety and without wasting. But these are a few ideas. I hope they help.